All right. How's that? Can you hear me? Good morning. Good morning in there. Hi. How are you? Well, it's been a while since we've done a little silly update here. Should we get the entire room together? Should we get the whole family? Should we turn this into a multi-camera production this morning? We're not going to do that today. I'm focused on code again. I'm getting back into the code. I should grab. Do I have it? I don't have it in here. Hang on. So I've been working on this computer thing, this silly computer thing. And one second, put the microphone down. Yeah. Okay. How's that? Let's see. Can we turn this around? Boom. We have a podium here. We have a microphone stand. We have those 3 cameras that we showed you. All right. How's that? Is that a little provocative? Not what I was going for, but it's okay. This is gonna be fine. So I've been working on this computer stuff for kids for the past since August. So it's been a lot of research, been a lot of dabbling, a lot of trying things out, figuring out my own creative process and what I would personally want out of a computer that came out around now instead of coming out back in the before times. I think we need to get a computer for the after times. So that's what I've been working on. This is a prototype. It's got some Velcro straps on it. Full computer in there. I can take the SD card out of it, and then if I wanted to, I could put it into this because I'm making a musical instrument. So it's going to be able to import and export MIDI files. You can play the guitar and then get some actual MIDI files you could use anywhere else. That's the music software. I've been working on screenwriting as well, and because I've been working on programming, I think that there's a clever little overlap between writing screenplays and writing software. So I made a tiny little programming language to teach kids programming languages, but also to teach them how to write screenplays. If you've ever used Markdown, it's kind of like Markdown, but for writing screenplays. But also, since my background is in web development for 16 years and my research is in HTML and using HTML to do all of the crazy things that all of the front-end frameworks do today, I can embed HTML into my screenplays. Not that you want that per se, but you actually want that if you want to avoid canvas-based rendering. I digress. So for this computer, if it's for kids and computers are expensive, like one laptop per child failed, we need to figure out a different strategy here. So I'm thinking 1 QR code per kid, huh? What do you think the most important thing about QR codes are in kids? I think it's the QR sound, the code sound, and the kid sound. They're very similar sounds, but if you can learn each of those 3 sounds and hear them, you'll have a good grasp on some of the consonants in English. And I think the most challenging thing about learning how to program is learning English first. So you could have a keyboard and you could have a computer, but that's harder for kids. You got to start even simpler. So if I want to have 1 QR code per kid, it's going to be a lot of QR codes. So what if every kid had the same QR code, huh? That's what I'm thinking. So this is the computer as we're working on it now. A notebook, and you can put these little post-it notes in your notebook. So this notebook right here says composer. Like if you want to become a composer, you could learn Score. Score is the software for doing the music sounds. Or if you wanted to be a cartoonist, you could learn Stroke, the software that's going to give you SVGs. So we're doing MIDI files with Score. We're doing SVGs with Stroke. And then if you want to be a columnist, you know, getting to the bottom, the truth about these computers or anything that you could tell a story about, you'd use Story. So Score, Stroke, and Story. Those are the three pieces of software that will launch with Silly's computer. A Post-it note with a QR code that's going to take over the world.